bottom. Keep it going, stay with it. Wow, what a range to open up. That was sick. Okay, right, up and driving, coming down the second bow, and we're looking at this runs down part. So, the white circle there, I look through the output of the 8.0. Time call, 1 minute remaining, less than 1 minute remaining. Aida. Alright, circulate up off the bottom, drive around, pulls up there. Trampoline, stays with it. Nice. Nice high line drive, comes up the bottom 5 to second bowl. And just go driving on that side. And snap in the corner pocket. Right there. Grab it. And blue circle. Vertical hook in the... Right on our bob. Nice fade. 2 times Charles, winner. Drives impact the deep, comes through, still, and out. This is right here, 2 times to this Charles, winner. Fifth out the back, roller surfer up and riding. Lifted north. Drive it out of proper on second ball. Having a look. Push it through. Stops themselves. Priority change. First priority red. First priority red. Second priority. Okay, blue surfer. They'll be looking. Oh, nice second ball coming. Big drive round, pulls up, drive it into the ball. The ball picture. 2 times former champion. Trials, winner. And double stuffing. There you go. Put in the needle there, the number. Okay, leaderboard total. White surf with an 8.00 there, Alyssa Riata from the first lead. That's the night. Red looking. Up and driving. Super deep. Surfers in the water, 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, surfing to the water, carry down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're through the up and riding blue surfer. Padang Padang in the blue from Padang. Drive through, pulls up, goes around that one. Under the bow. Tracking too deep. Yellow tracking. Here we go. Right track held up, nice. Comes up the bottom, pulls up, steers it. Trying to find it, that's sure. Fellow surfer, Mayday Joy, you have first priority. Nice set approaching, Mayday. Up looking big, so I put the bottom two, pulls up, runs the two, runs the two, runs the two. Oh, wow. Counting down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside, clean space. Danger, second ball, park it, puts it in there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, here's the bait. Good. Monster, you need to be clipping this, darling. Lord, come on, Jim. Oh, here it is. Boom, stop it. Drive, please. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Right, gonna save this one out. Right up, Victor. Harris's mate. Park it. Drive it. Righty over to blue. Oh, he stopped it. He's in. Oh. Keep up. Go up high, top higher, top higher. Stay down now. Wait though. Oh man, come on. Yeah, nice. Wipe it up. Don't push too hard. Come on, get in there. You need to wipe that speed off, brother. Just outside, 2 minutes remaining, priority goes to blue. Blue, you have first pick. Second pick, over to red. Right, wrong way. Sprinkles. Yes, nice. Anything with a bowl and a hole. 1 minute. One nicely driving through there. 1 minute remaining, circles at the back, priority change, right circle, first priority, second priority, yellow. Okay, surface deemed after the hooter. One. It's a beautiful wave, look, glassy, oh. Right on the corner. Oh, right, there's a nugget. Get in there, park, slow down. Alright, nice, let's go right that way, drive, nugget. Pulls up, drive it through. Wow, and a crack, beautiful. Yellow needs to drive and wipe off. Goes to the bottom, tumbling. Still, crack this drive, super deep. Come on. Alright, super late. Oh, look at the inside trailer.
Di piano ng cover na.
Parks it. Comes in, kicks through, go, super deep. Oh, dry fade out. Beautiful fade out. Oh, this is timed perfectly. Tommy February, holy hecker. We're going to wrap this ride up and actually go down the step, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, who's waiting for it? Up comes the step, it goes over, and this one just comes through. This is what happens on the scout, it's going to push it past. Step to there, and run. Coffee, coffee. Let's go safely out, bro. It's very difficult work even to find that little snuggle there. It's almost, it's almost up to push it through. You almost need to...
Whoa!
Nice nugget there, boys. Nice medium-sized nugget there. Beautiful tide. Red surfer. Man, beautiful driving. Wow, listen here. Oh, very passionate, beautiful tide coming. Beautiful. Double spin. A little bit of fun. Yeah. This is a drainer. You need to drive through this one. Super raging, 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 raging. That was incredible yellow. White surfer driving from behind. I just parking it super nice. You got a runner, you got a funnel.
tu.
Red on a nugget. Second boat driving, there it goes. All the way, driving, right through, driving. Wow, beautiful exchange.
Dia pernah kuning tu.
Red, a beautiful exchange. Hey, who's that skier? Who's the back ski? Can you stop going through the lineup? Look, you're whipping it up. Hey, the back skier on the lineup. Yellow driving kick store. Haven't seen a store. Beautiful store. Nice. So manufacturing, arm drag, nice wave. Oh, another beautiful. Oh my goodness, super deep. Holy heck of driving. Oh my.
Terus semua.
Yeah, past champion, look at him go. Nice kick fade, goes off the bottom. Goes up a little bit, come on.
Ampun tu orang situ.
Gone from 24. Oh, he could have wiped off his face. Here it comes, stick and ball. Two whips and then drives it super deep. Beautiful. Still going. Beautiful takeoff. Nice kick fade. Oh, nice wiped off styling. Look at this golden dream on the inside. Slow down. Right. Drops down. Pulls it out. Look at this beautiful. From behind. Drives into that section. Keeps it tight. Nice and tight. Deep. It's the tunnel. So nice exchange between up and right and drive it. Inside 2 seconds. Going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, leaderboard. And the blue there. Wahida. Leaderboard. Beautiful looking wave. Drive. Wrap it on. Stay down there. Wait. Hold. Driver. Super deep. Split. Go for the picture. Come on. Oh, nice. Nice spin. 2 section barrel. Beautiful. Drives up super deep. And again. So Nuggy. Hey, wipe it off. Out on the flat. Wait, go.
Gantot. Oh, yang gantot. Jangan itu gantot. Gantot.
Looking to go on this one. Nice looking red. Driving through, beautiful kickstart, driving through, nice, super deep, runs it through into the channel. Good wave yellow. Nice low back snap. Bit of a runner, nice little cover up. Drives the way through, comes out, gives it a smash in the pocket. Oh! Great surfing. Blue. Oh, what a wave. Here we go, come on. In combination at the moment, nice kick to the fade out left, comes out the pass through, grabs the road, spins it in, spins it hard, comes out, Good driving, goes down to the second bit. Oh, nice kick fade, under the hood. Drives it into front. Right there, let it go first. Beautiful arch drag. That's the second bowl. This is a killer section.
Kesudat.
Oh, man.
Dunia, San Miguel.
My goodness.
Yes, pura-pura.
What is going on? That was insane.
What?
Out into the pocket, kicks in there, right
Suyat.
nugget.
Woo! Piss.
Well, you. Very good. We pick up the score. It's a runner. Oh, wow. Okay. So, we need a two-way heat. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, look at this one. This is the wave of the day.
Ikut.
Wipe it off. Go out right here, go. Oh.
Turun. Turun.
Are we clipping the styling?
There goes red! Drive, drive, drive! Hold in! And came out! Out in the channel!
There's one's a neighbor on the inside, stuffing into a little sloppy monster. Ooh, looking now, looking right. That's very well. Look at these rides. Woo! Ah. Look at, look at. Oh no, look at the inside. Woo! Oh, come on, right. Come through. Slow down, slow down. Okay, right. Oh, wow. Let's go. Oh, just scoring right. Good. Running through. Nice looking tight. Good stick. Run through. Short barrel. Nice short ones. And now, who is on and now? Come now. Here we go. Quick day round. Oh! Blues on a nuggy, man. Yellow looking. Does it a little too quick. Well, blue was on the way. Blue was on the way. Oh, broke the nose. Score 15.7. Okay, circles in the water, red circle, white circle, yellow circle, blue. Yeah, white on this one. Woo! Oh, let's go back here. Go back to there it is, the kick plate comes off. Oh, he popped it, boom. Oh, wow. Let's go red, let's go red, let's go red. We're not going to do it this time. He's so nice. There he goes, drives it, stops it, parks it, drives it. Short runner, and then have to say, okay, drive it. The number, the black number off the bottom, past this driver. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, holy hecker. This is so gnarly. Look at that, darling. Start the back. Red circle, right into the picture. Jet skis out of the channel, please. Jet skis out of the channel. Caddies in the channel, please. Channel. Out of the way, please. Caddies out of the channel, please. Not open, pocket in the corner, grab the wall. What? Come down, wipe it off, wait, hold, go down, dude. Turn, driving through, nice, keep the beat Nuggy, yellow and a nuggy, driving through, little bell, running, okay, nice little one, good drive,
뭐야, 왔네?
little corner. 4, 3, 2, 1. There's nothing, Steve. Going to the bottom, perfect, slow down, too fast. Wow. Nice trip there. I like how you drove up to the top, come down, cover from behind, inside looking. Super good, beautiful one. Come out to side, drive up into the hole. Oh man, that was so close. It's driving. Super nice, super cut. Oh, look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put the foot down on the finish. On the finish. Still under the water, he just come up now. Oh, look at this nugget. Who's this guy? Oh, the God. Oh. super heat. We do have in the rear there Mason Hay, and the right there we have Climax. Is that right? Very loud off the bottom talks with noise, dreamy. Look at that dreamy wave. Congratulations, grand final. Making it to the main event. Drive. Good, nice. Black number. Now the other guy put the 2-point pole, yellow, blue, move across. There we go. We're around, still park. Beautiful, driving. Marina. And there's Kalimargo, you can go out and drive, thank you, boys. Keep it in the channel. We're circling the 6.60 and a 6.13 in the lead, driving super good. The water Standout, pole position, yellow super. Mason Hay driving. Oh, Brown. Here we go, Bryson. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Got everybody out there driving on the court, hand right circle. Great looking wave. Just runs it through. Boom. Super good. That's it, Lincoln coming off the bottom, steering, driving in, commanding. Whoa, the black mamba. Animal. Holy liquor, he's so gnarly, he doesn't even know he's gnarly. Damn. Okay. Up and down. Okay, boys. Okay, yellow. Oh, super light drop off the bottom, driving, nudging. Drive here right now. Time set, left foot, moves to wipe it off. Next to come out, turn out in the corner. Oh. Look how Sahi, right in here. Oh, okay. Final intersection one, and the yellow there, quickly hit to the one, and the blue there, hit the other, total, bye-bye.